Wei Li, and I'm the design engineer for CSOT, TCL CSOT.
And you win People's Choice Award Best Display for Inkjet-Printed QDEL 4K monitor. So what's special about this?
So based on this is we use the RGB material they can all emissions by themselves, and based on this 2DEL technology, and also all of these products from this round we all use the IJP technology, which means the inkjet printing, and for the HIL, EML, and HTL layers, we all use the IGB technology, so it can have a low cost based on this technology. Also, we have the.
So this is a inkjet-printed OLED, and this is inkjet-printed QDEL, next to each other.
Yeah.
And they're both 27-inch.
Yeah.
They're both 4K.
Yeah. And this can the brightness for this can reach to 500 nits, and this can be reached to 400 nits.
And you say BT 2020 85%?
Yeah.
This is DCI P3 100. Which one is better?
This one is better for the color gamut.
So better colors.
Better colors, yeah. If we all talk about the BT 2020, maybe this could be about 70s if we try to say the same standard.
70, a little bit lower?
Yeah.
But so I'm trying to see what people say when they see this display at the show. What is a remark people would say? Like, for example, I see a little.
Also,
I don't see it anymore, but
that is because
there's no defects on the screen. It's really, really high quality prototype.
This is prototype.
I see some lines a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
A little bit lines.
Yeah.
So you put them together, the different layers, or is it just because the printer is totally new?
Yeah, the print this is our first demo for the QDEL, so we can still have much improvement, and but however for this one, for the LTPS OLED, we will have mass production this year, and based on the QDEL, we will come up in about 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years. This is really next gen.
Yeah, this is a very next generation product.
How does it change in power consumption?
So we will improve our materials and also have more Demura technology. Then we can produce a better production to show up to all the customers. Yeah.
So I'm just going to have a quick look. So now I'm looking at the inkjet-printed OLED. Mm-hmm. And it looks great. It's really great.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to try to look here at the inkjet-printed QDEL. Yeah, and it's just like, it's better, right? It's supposed to be a better experience, like...
The color is better, actually.
Better color.
Yeah, better color.
Maybe it's healthier on the eyes or not?
All these products based on the IJP, because since they can reduce about 20% harmful blue light, so it is very good for our eye health based on this technology.
So they're both good on the blue lights? And you can imagine the potential, lots of potential here. And here the booth, there's other inkjet OLED, right?
Yeah.
It's on the laptop?
Yeah, from the laptop. So this one is our first R-shaped IJP OLED notebook, and the resolution is very high. It can reach to 2.8K.
So 2.8K R-shaped?
Yeah. R-shaped, and R-shaped is to 3 millimeters. And this one is our first IJP OLED gaming notebook display, and the refresh rate can reach to 240 Hz.
Nice. Is there some other inkjet-printed OLED around here?
Yeah, sure. And for this one, this is our first. These are a 4-oxide internal consumption, high resolution and refresh rate monitor display, also 27-inch. And as you can see, based on this technology, we can reach to, for the refresh rate can reach to 240 Hertz.
What does the oxide do? When you do oxide, is this different than some of the other ones?
Yeah, for the arrays, these 4 products are all from LTPS array, and this is full oxide array. And based on the oxide array, we can reach a higher refresh rate and also low cost.
Nice.
Yeah.
And this is a 2K eye care.
Yeah, this is a 2K eye care tablet display. As I said, based on the IJP technology, we can reduce about 20% harmful blue light, so it is good for our health.
Nice. And this one you showed me before?
Okay, yes. And this is our world's first foldable and portable monitor display.
It's inkjet-printed?
Inkjet-printed,
OLED.
yeah. It can reach to 28 inches for all the display, and also if we flip the display, it can reach to 16 inches.
Nice.
As you can see.
That's cool.
Also, based on this panel, this panel can also use for automotive display, as you can see here. So we use the same panel to have an automotive display, also used by IJP technology.
Nice. Curved right here.
Yeah.
Cool. What are those displays? Is it stretch? It's rollable?
This is stretch, and this is a stretch.
How do you turn it open and close? Is there a button? Maybe it's on the UI. Maybe you say, open my screen.
你们这有人吗？有人讲这个吗？
How to close it?
Okay.
Oh, there's a click. Nice, then it becomes smaller. Cool. All right. Cool. Thanks a lot for showing.
That's all for the IJP product.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for showing this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices. For movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.